Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with a collab video. I'm doing a collab with Miss Andi from Andi Does Stuff. I watched her do her eyeshadow palette collection, and she did hers by in alphabetical order. I've done eyeshadow palette collection, but I did mine by drawer instead of by alphabet. So what I asked her is if she wanted to do like a collab using palettes from her collection in alphabetical order, and she agreed. So this is our first one. I haven't watched her video yet, but I will link it below. So we're starting with obviously A. I have several A's in my collection. I have ABH, I have a cat hair, have ABH, Alamar, and Ace Beauté. So I decided to combine two A's together to do this look here. It's really simple, neutral look. I added purple on the bottom. This is a duochrome. It's like that blue-brown duochrome, a little bit highlight. So something very, very simple and neutral. But I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina DeL Caribe palette. And this is what she looks like inside. This color here is very pretty. That's what I have in the inner corner. And then I am using this color here called Guantanamera, mixed with a color from the Jackie Aina palette. So pretty and holographic. And this is ABH. And that is what she looks like. And I'm using this color here, which is a blue, which is like a green brown, blue brown duochrome. And then I'm using this color on the bottom lid. And then I mixed this color here with the Guantanamera. And I think that's all I'm using out of this palette. And in the Alamar, I'm also using this color here to blend out this color. So I'm using 3 out of this palette. And then I'm using 1, 2, 3 out of this one. So those are the palettes that I'm using for our first alphabet collab. And I'll show you how I did this simple eye. So we'll go ahead and get started. Brought you in a little bit. So this eye I did not prime, but I found that there was a little bit of patchiness right here for some reason. I don't know why, but this eye I'm going to try a primer and see if that will make a difference. So I'm using the Ace Beauté primer on a fluffy brush, just a little bit, patting it on. This one is in deep, it looks light, but it's a little lighter than my skin tone, but the camera is going to show it a little lighter. Plus I'm right in front of a window, so the sun is right here beaming into my window. So if you see the lighting go in and out, that's why. But that's my primer, and I'm gonna go in with Guantanamera, which is like a burgundy with a little bit of rose in it, like a rosy burgundy. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner and bring it all the way across my crease. My crease is down here, but I extend it because just like that, so you can see the color. So I'm gonna bring it out and across. I'm gonna go into pinker and just add a little bit of that to it. Now I'm going to use Cocoa Taxi to blend out the edge. So I'm going to put a base here, like a blended, I'm going to do a blended cut crease, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Tattoo in Shimmering Sea as a base. It looks light blue, but it has a gold shift to it. When I put it on, it's gonna look a little bit more gold than blue. But I love using this as a base. And I'm just bringing it up slightly, just a blended cut crease. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because it's gonna get covered up. But I love these as bases because they help your outer shadows stay in place. And if you're using something sheer or whatnot that might crease on you, you can use a powder shadow as a base, but I like using these. Now I'm gonna go into Sponsored, which is that blue, brown, green, brown dual chrome. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the lid. And I am gonna spray it, I forgot. I am spraying some of these shadows. I'm spraying that one. So on the bottom lash line, I'm going to use this, it's a color Icon pencil from Wet n Wild. This one is in purple. I always use a base on my lower lash line before powder because it lasts longer, because it will tend to fade on me for some reason. So I always use some type of a base. And I'm going to go into Shookington and put that over the liner. So in my inner corner, I'm going to use El Malcon. And I did spray this, so I'm just gonna put it here, just right here in the inner corner, slightly, and bring it up into that duochrome. So that's what she looks like before liner and mascara. And I'll come back when I put that on. So we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so that's the look that I did. Put on some wings and some mascara and tight lined my upper lash line. My lip is also using Alamar and ABH. This is the Anastasia Liquid Lip in Heathers. And then the Alamar Cosmetics, this one is in, Lord, I cannot read this. This stuff is so small. I have to put my glasses on, hold on. These are so small. These are my little readers. These are from the dollar store. They're so cute, aren't they cute? But this one is in, this is the Mother of Petal Gloss in Tesoro. So that's what I have on my lips. These two A's. And then on the eyes, we are using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina DeL Caribe and the ABH Jackie Aina. So that was my first collab with Miss Andi in our alphabet series. I thank her so much for wanting to do this series. It's gonna be a while because we gotta go through the whole alphabet, but it was fun. And more to come, of course. Please check out her video. I will link it below, and also her channel, also her Instagram as well. I met her on this platform, found out she's only an hour away from me, so that's great. We were supposed to meet up at the beginning of the year, but unfortunately I made a boo-boo, so we did not get to do that, but hopefully we will get to meet up here in the next few months, which would be great. Again, she's not far from me. We have a lot of things in common, so it's great to find new friends on these type of platforms. So thank you so much, Miss Andi. Go check her out. She's so cute and so sweet. Again, I'll link her below. Everything I have on my face, I will also link below too, because I'm using my project pan for the month of November. So all that'll be linked below as well. But again, this is the look with our first alphabet collab for A's, using Anastasia Beverly Hills and using Alamar Cosmetics. Check out her video and see which A that she's using. I thank you all so very much for coming and hanging out with me. I appreciate you all who follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram. Make sure to follow. All links are below. Thank you so much again. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next, we'll see you for letter B.